Let me start with the big picture. Dubai isn't waiting for the future, it's building it. The Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan is a 20-year roadmap to make Dubai one of the world's best cities to live, work and visit. It concentrates growth in existing urban areas, expands public transport and doubles green and leisure space, all while preparing for a population that swells to about 5.8 million residents by 2040, with daytime population reaching 7.8 million as commuters and visitors from adjacent Emirates flow in. That's the scale of change we are talking about. Now here is why this matters for you as an investor, a resident or a business person. The plan isn't a brochure, it's being executed. We are seeing hard commitments. The Dubai Metro Blue Line breaking ground, Al Maktoum International entering a new mega expansion phase, Palm Jebel Ali revived at twice the size of Palm Jumeirah. Dubai Islands moving forward with 80+ hotels and the city piloting air taxis and autonomous transit. This is how a city compounds value, by knitting mobility, green space and jobs around real districts people actually live in. Dubai's growth is real, but growth without planning creates congestion, sprawl and uneven quality of life. The 2040 plan tackles that directly. It concentrates density into established areas and 5 urban centers and aligns new infrastructure with where people will actually live and work. Think fewer towers in the sand, more complete neighborhoods with transport, parks, clinics and schools within reach. The risk of any fast-growing city is lifestyle slippage, long commutes, strained services. Dubai's answer is measurable. The 20-minute city concept aims to put 55% of residents within 800 meters of mass transit and 80% of daily needs within 20 minutes, cutting friction from everyday life. That's how you protect livability while you scale. Picture a family living near Dubai Creek Harbour in 2030. Today that area is already rising. By the time the blue line of metro opens, they will have a direct rail link across the creek, an interchange at International City and a connection into Dubai Silicon Oasis and Academic City, exactly where jobs and the universities are. That isn't sci-fi. The Blue Line is 30 kilometers with 14 stations, including an iconic Imar Property Station, the world's highest metro station at 74 meters high. That's a statement of intent. Make transit the backbone, not an afterthought. The plan moves on 5 fronts: urban structure and population. The city scales to 5.8 million residents by 2040, with daytime up to 7.8 million, concentrating growth in defined centers instead of pushing sprawl. That supports services, retail and public realm where people actually are. Greener city. Dubai commits to a dramatic expansion of nature in the city. Green and leisure areas doubled and nature reserves plus rural natural areas forming 60% of the Emirates' total area by 2040. That's parks, corridors, beaches, not just landscaping around the tower. Transport of the future. Besides the new Blue Line metro, Dubai is preparing air taxis. Joby Aviation and RTA are already building the first vertiports, with initial flights planned for 2026. At the same time, the city is testing driverless buses, improving bike and pedestrian links and developing new communities around stations. Mobility here is being built as a full ecosystem. Building a new tourism belt. Dubai isn't just expanding downtown, it's creating an entirely new layer of attraction. The Sheikh Al Salam scenic route will turn a desert highway into a leisure corridor with retreats, themed stops and outdoor activities. Palm Jebel Ali is being relaunched at twice the size of Palm Jumeirah. Dubai Islands are planned as a refreshed coastal playground with resorts and beaches, and Al Maktoum International Airport is set to become the world's largest airport. Together, these projects anchor in tourism economy with scale and staying power, not just marketing promises. Economy, innovation, health. The Dubai Economic Agenda 2033, known as D33, aims to double the size of city's economy by 2033, building on zero income tax, openness to foreign business and global capital inflows. By 2040, the roadmap outlines hubs for technology, finance, and sustainable industries with anchors like Dubai Silicon Oasis. In healthcare, Dubai has approved 3 new hospitals and 33 primary health centers by 2033. The ambition is clear: position Dubai as a new Switzerland, a global competitor not only in finance but also in world-class medical services and medical tourism. Business and the future. Looking ahead to 2040, Dubai is positioning itself as a global headquarters city. The plan expands specialized districts for finance, technology, green industries, and advanced manufacturing, with government-backed incentives to attract multinational companies and startups alike. For investors, this means more than short-term growth. It creates a structural demand for housing, offices, and lifestyle assets as tens of thousands of professionals and entrepreneurs relocate to the city. Real estate isn't just about rental yields, it becomes a way to capture Dubai's transformation into a long-term business capital. Dubai 2040 isn't just about shiny renderings, it's projects already breaking ground. The new Blue Line will finally connect both sides of the creek with a metro bridge linking key districts like Creek Harbour, Festival City and Academic City. One of its stations is even said to become the highest metro stop in the world, a symbol of how ambitious this build-out really is. Out on the coast, Palm Jebel Ali is making a comeback, this time on a scale twice the size of existing Palm Jumeirah. It's part of a wider coastal strategy that also includes Dubai Island, the city's last big stretch of waterfront, designed for resorts, beaches and a whole new style of living. And then there is Al Maktoum International, the new mega airport rising in Dubai South. Within the next decade, it's set to rival and eventually surpass the busiest hubs in the world, locking Dubai in as the ultimate global gateway. The city is also rolling out the 20-minute city concept, where most residents can reach daily essentials or public transport in just 20 minutes. Green areas will double, nature reserves expand, and quality of life becomes a core metric, not just a slogan. Transport of the future is coming too. Air taxis are moving from render to reality, with vertiports under construction and first flights targeted within a couple of years. Even climate is on the agenda. Dubai is experimenting with weather modification like drone-based rain enhancement, but with a bigger focus on building resilient infrastructure into every layer of the 2040 plan. And here is the takeaway: if you want to understand which areas benefit first, whether it's the Blue Line boosting Creek Harbour or Palm Jebel Ali shaping the next luxury shoreline, book a call with our Whiteville specialist. We'll map the timelines to your investment horizon and show you where the real growth is likely to land. And don't forget to subscribe.